Hi, this is just Nakino, and we will learn to use Disk2 VHD virtual hard disk. So let's first begin by running this simple Windows 10 virtual machine. So Disk2 VHD allows for a backup as well as a virtualized version of um, virtual machine ready version of um, Windows installation. We here we're using it for our very old 1991 accounting systems that need to be backed up as we are migrating to ERP next. So okay, okay. So this is a test account with very simple setup. Um, so you can download disk to VH disk to VHD. You can download disk to VHD here. Unzip it like this. Unzip it. So it's here in downloads. I unzipped it. So I ran this one. Yeah. So first is where is it going to save? First is where it's going to save. Uh, uh, so what I did was I logged into my network drive here in the share. Okay, it's taking some time there. So I'm putting it my virtual box here. Let's date it. Uh, call this. Uh, we'll name it that. Doesn't matter because I'm gonna use this as a demo since it's what it comes out with. Okay, so save. Save it. So it sets that. Turn this off. So it uses this. So for it to run on VirtualBox, you have to make sure this is off. Select all the volumes that you're going to back up. Note that if you want it bootable, these partitions are essential for making it bootable. Then you press create. So what is different here is that unlike in Linux where you have to use a live boot disk to do this, you can do this while the system is running. Create. So it'll copy. I will cancel this. It'll copy and it'll create the disk that you saw here in the system. So I'm gonna shut this down. Call this shutdown power shutdown. So it's stopping. Then create a Windows virtual machine. So here's created, but I'll walk through the process again. Uh, so so uh, to create a Windows virtual machine, for um, uh, simply just give it a name, make sure it's created in the correct drive, and then next set the amount of resources it will deploy. So we want it at least two processors or more. It will run faster and you'll be able to check much faster. Next is to use an existing drive. So we can use the let's add the virtual machine. we can add this one, the Disk2VHD that we created the other day. So so there it is. Choose, next, finish. So this one, so start it to test. So wait for it to power up. We put less resources, so it's gonna take a bit longer. Um, so you press this open notification center to close it, and you can hide it. Um, the notifications will allow you to um, cut and paste for if you're going to research the error that occurred. So we just want to be able to log in and see that we were able to create a new virtual machine uh, by new virtual machine backing up this old one. Uh, so it allows us to create um, so it allows us to create convert computers that were bare metal into virtual machines, as well as to backup virtual machines. But most important is um, so for us, we will use task scheduler and um, back this up, and we will have a simple bash or command line script to maintain and rename the and maintain a number of versions um, of the VHD backup. So this way we can have a daily backup instead of a monthly or weekly backup. Okay, so this is just Nakino signing off.